Liftec Pallet System for all transports in the steel industry. Liftec Pallet System works in the same way as standard wooden pallets and pallet carriers. The scale is just different. The Liftec translifter connected to a tractor is driven under the loaded pallet, and, by means of the lifting mechanism of the translifter, the pallet is lifted up from the ground for transportation. The pallet system can be used in all heavy transportation in the steel industry. The pallets can be equipped with load-specific equipment such as cradles for coil handling, heat insulation for hot steel slabs, or support beams for thin plates. All different types of pallets can be transported with the same translifter. The translifter is pulled by a universal terminal tractor. The idea of the pallet system is that the most expensive investments are constantly moving, while the less expensive pallets are waiting at the process points. High payload and zero waiting times make it possible to transport up to 600 tons of steel an hour, with LTH 130 translifter, a distance of 1 kilometer. At the warehouse, translifter leaves the loaded pallet and continues to perform the next transport. Thanks to its lifting mechanism, a translifter can pick up a load independently at any time, which eliminates the waiting times under the cranes. Another pallet, which was previously brought to the warehouse, has been unloaded, and the translifter can now transport it back to the loading area. A working cycle is completed when the empty pallet is transported back to the loading area. The self-loading Liftec pallet system comprises a towing tractor, an elevating Liftec translifter, and a load-supporting Liftec pallet. The translifter is equipped with many options, which make the operation safe and easy. In normal transport, the trailer's drive axles are steered according to the angle between the tractor and the translifter. Wheels are always in the correct position during turns, which prevents side scarring and the wear of tires. The frame of the translifter is of strong steel construction. Its length, width, and height can be tailored according to the customer's needs. The lifting and lowering functions are controlled by a joystick in the tractor's cabin. The joystick can also be used to steer translifter sideways. This helps driving in tight corners and makes it possible to locate the pallets precisely. The Liftec translifter has electronic sensors on both sides of the frame for steering the trailer under the pallet. The sensors steer the translifter automatically on the pallet's center line when the wall of the pallet comes too close. The translifter is robust and reliable, and it has a minimum number of moving components. One hydraulic cylinder steers the bogie to the correct position. There is one lifting cylinder in each bogie. All the lifting cylinders are connected hydraulically together. The bogie's successive axles are connected together with a bogie beam. This hydromechanical load support system distributes the load weight equally for each wheel. The cabin is a modern and ergonomic working place. The cabin is equipped with a 180-degree turning seat, and the driver is always facing the correct direction. This provides excellent visibility and ergonomy, which results in safe and effective operation. The main components are located inside a weather-tight protective box, where they are easily available for service. If sensitive products are transported, the translifter can be equipped with a weather cover. The front end of the weather cover is fixed to the translifter's gooseneck. The other end is attached to the pallet's rail. Lights and a reversing camera improve the safety. Liftec pallet system for all transports in the steel industry.